Page 197 is probability and 198, but we'll take this one page at a time. This is a simple example of probability. If you look at the cards AA, B, 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 there are 6 cards, and for example, two of them are A, and so the outcome of picking a card with an A is 2 out of all the 6. You can see that, or 1/3. I want you to complete the marble questions below. It's the same thing, white marbles, black, gray, and marbles that are not white. Okay, go ahead and answer these questions based on the example given here. Page 198, continuation of probability. In this case, we have cards that say win, lose, lose, and draw again. And again, simply, if you've got 4 cards and 2 of them say lose, the probability of getting one is half, right? 2 out of the 4, or 50%. So the next 3 problems or questions are to answer the probabilities of choosing a win, choosing lose, and choosing a draw again. So go ahead and finish those. Very simple probability, and we kind of go on to something more difficult, box and whiskers. Okay, see you next.